In this video, I'm going to be talking about dividing monomials, but unlike the last video, this time I'm going to be talking about how to do it algebraically. So, first example I'll show you is 12x squared divided by negative 4x. So, it's kind of similar to multiplying monomials in that we start with the numerical coefficient. So we're going to start by just dividing 12 by negative 4. So first of all, positive divided by negative, mismatch. Can she wear it? No, so negative. And then 12 divided by 4 gives me 3. So that takes care of the numerical coefficient. Now, on to the variable. So this time, unlike multiplying, where we combine the variables, we are actually going to subtract or cancel the variables. So what we have here is we have x squared divided by x. So if I was to write this just down below here, x squared divided by x, well, even though this x doesn't have an exponent, we know it would automatically have a little 1. And the other thing we know with exponent laws is that if we have the same base, the exponents can simply subtract. So 2 minus 1 leaves me with an exponent of 1. So what I'm left with is just negative 3x. Okay, another way to think of it is like canceling. So we have 1x down here, so that's going to be able to cancel with one of the x's up on top. So that'll cancel with this, and I'm left with just 1x. Let's try another one. So here we've got 9xy divided by 3y. So we've got 9 divided by 3, which gives me 3. And they're both positive, so match, positive. And now I can either subtract my variables, think of my exponent laws, or the other way to think of it is canceling. So I have 1y down here, so that will be able to cancel with 1y up top, which is what all I have. So that means all I'm left with is just the x. So my final answer, 3x. Okay, another one. Negative 15 AB divided by negative 5AB. So I've got a negative divided by a negative. So first of all, that's a match. So it's going to be a positive. Can she wear it? Yes, it's a match. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And let's see what we can subtract or cancel here. So we have 1a down on the bottom, so that can cancel with 1 on the top. So now all the a's are gone. There was only 1 on the top. 1b on the bottom can cancel with 1 on the top. Once again, there is only 1. So are we left with any variables? No, we're not. So this is actually our final answer, is just 3. So sometimes you may just end up with a constant. Okay, last one. I've got 48xy divided by 8x. So same steps. We've got 48 divided by 8, both positive, so it's a match. She can wear it, so positive answer, 6. And then let's check and see what can cancel here. So we have 1x on the bottom, which we'll be able to cancel with 1x on the top. That's all we have. So all we're left with is that y there. So 6y, positive 6y. Okay, so that's how you use algebra to divide monomials. Thanks for watching.